Hey guys, Zach at Quaid Harley-Davidson right here off of the busy 10 freeway in Loma Linda, California. We're talking shop, so I wanted to come at you with a couple of different things here. The 4-point docking hardware on 09 and later touring bikes, no matter what the touring platform is a pretty simple install. All the Harley stuff comes with a small brochure that you unfold and you can see how it goes on. In the event that you misplaced that or tossed it or got it from a buddy or something of that nature, we're going to walk through a couple of things. First off, having the saddlebag lid open is imperative to be able to get the bolts in for the plate for the docking hardware. I would prefer to take the saddlebag off or at least use a swivel socket to get those two brackets, the two Allens in there. Something people usually don't know other than that is that these cams, front and rear, are both kind of egg-shaped or oblong. So getting them in the exact position or leaving them loose until you find that position before tightening them down is a key feature in it. Also the shimming in and out. One of the big mistakes that we see here at Quaid and several other dealerships across the nation is when you buy this for the first time, it doesn't tell you how to set it up other than the actual install. So with a lot of people, they try to put this on the docking hardware and they realize, well, this doesn't fit, it's a couple of inches off. Well, that's because there are pieces that come off of these cams. However, the sissy bar is not one of them. The sissy bar goes off of the shock tower. So I would say get this on there, make sure it seats on the shock tower, both sides, and position your lockers in a position to hit the cams. And when you do, slightly push down and push back, and you're locked in. Thanks guys, thanks for talking shop with Quaid. Don't forget to like and subscribe.